Hello. About equation of line. Okay, equation of line. What is equation of line? General equation of a line. The general equation of a line is in two variable of a first degree is represented as ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the general equation of a line. So here is x-axis and y-axis, as you can see, right? And this is a particular line whose equation will be in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now, next very important form by which we can, determine the equation of a particular line is slope-intercept form. Okay. So, what is slope-intercept form? The equation of a straight line in slope-intercept form is given by, let us suppose this is x-axis and y-axis. This is line L for which we need to find out the equation. Now, let us suppose that line is cutting the portion, the length of the portion here is C. So, obviously, if y-intercept here you can see is C, so 0 comma C will be the coordinate for this, and slope, let us suppose that the slope is equals to M. So, we can directly give this intercept C here, we can directly give the equation here which is y is equals to mx plus C. Okay, this is C. Y is equals to mx plus C is the equation of the line where this C is the intercept. So y equals to mx plus c, m is the slope and c is the intercept. You just have to put the value of c and m here and you can find the equation of the line. Alright, next we have to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form with slope m is already given to us. M is already given to us which is minus 5 and y-intercept is given to us c which is equals to 3. So, we know that the equation will be y is equals to mx plus c, right. So, y is equal to m which is already given to us minus 5x plus c, c means 3. So, y is equals to minus 5x plus 3 is the equation of the line. If m and c, that means slope and y-intercept is given to us. Next question here, write the equation of the line in slope-intercept with slope 9, that means value of m is again given to us. So, m is given to us 9 and passing through the point 0 comma 2, this line is passing through the point 0 comma minus 2. So, y is equals to mx plus c is here, this is the equation of the line. Let us put the value of m, so y is equals to 9x plus c and we can put this value in this equation because the line is passing through the point 0 comma minus 2, so it should satisfy this equation. So this is minus 2 it is minus 2 is equals to 9 multiplied by 0 plus c. So that means value of c is directly minus 2 as you can see here. So directly we can find the value of the equation y is equals to m which is 9x, y is equals to 9x minus 2. This is the equation of the line. Already slope was given to us and by substituting the coordinates we have found the value of c also. So y is equals to mx plus c, we can directly find the value here. Alright, so now the next thing, equation of line. Okay, so 2-point form of equation. Now what is 2-point form? This is very important. The 2-point formula is used to represent a line algebraically using the coordinates of 2 points that lie on that particular line. So here we can see that if a line is there and on this 2 points are given to us x1 y1 and x2 y2, so we can directly find the value here, the equation here, y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the two coordinates given to you, so you can directly find the equation of the line by putting the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 in this equation, and then if you simplify it you will get the equation of the line. So here is the question based on this, find the general form of the line passing through the points minus 1 comma 1 and 3 comma minus 7. Let us suppose that this is x1 y1 and this point is x2 y2. So we have to find out the equation. So y minus y1 will be equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. So y minus y1, that means y minus 1 is equals to y2 minus y1, that means minus 7 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1, that means 3 plus 1 multiplied by x minus x1, that means x plus 1. So y minus 1 is equals to, this is minus 8 upon 4, that means minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1, and if I multiply it, so y minus 1 is equals to minus 2x minus 2, and finally we can write it in the form 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Alright, so like this we can find out the equation of a particular line using 2-point form. Now next is intercept form. This is also very important, intercept form. The equation of a line in intercept form is formed with the x-intercept A and y-intercept B. So how we can find out the equation here? You can see that this is x-axis and this is y-axis here, and this is a line. This point is a comma 0 because the intercept on x-axis is a. The next one is 0 comma b because the intercept on y-axis is b, let us suppose. Okay, so directly we can find the intercept, that means the equation of the line by using the intercepts only. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. This will be the equation of the line if you know the intercepts on x-axis and y-axis. Alright. So next is we have to find the equation of a line having an x-intercept of 5 units and a y-intercept of 4 units. Also represent this equation in the standard form. So let us try to solve it. We know that value of a, that means x-intercept is already given to us, which is 5, and b is the y-intercept which is given to us, it is 4 units. Alright, now we have to represent this equation in the standard form also. So equation of the line will be x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Right, that means x upon a, that means x upon 5 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1. Alright, so now I am solving this now. Let us take the LCM. LCM will be 20. 20 is the LCM. So this will become 4x plus 5y is equal to 1. And if I cross multiply this 20, so 4x plus 5y equal to 20 is the equation of the line. Right, so like this, if x-intercept and y-intercept is given to you, then you can directly put the value in the intercept form, x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1, and after that if you solve it, then you will definitely, if after solving it you will get, after simplifying it you will get the equation of the line. Alright, now next question. Here is the next question. As you can see, find the intercepts of the straight line 4x plus 3y equal to 24 on the coordinate axis. We have to find out intercepts now. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. This is the equation. If I cross multiply it, so 4x upon 24 plus 3y upon 24 will be equal to 1. Now I can cancel this. 4 1s are 4 and 4 6 are 24. 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24. So x upon 6 plus y upon 8 is equal to 1. If we compare this equation with the standard equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, then we can get that value of a, that means x-intercept is 6 here and y-intercept is 8 here. Y-intercept is 8 here. Okay, so like this we can find out the intercepts on the coordinate axis also with the help of intercept form. Moving on to the next question, the straight line passes through the point minus comma 1 and makes an angle of 60 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Right, find the equation of the line. Now one more important thing is there, which is point slope form. What is point slope form? It is similar to 2-point form only. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. In 2-point form, in place of m, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is there, right? So that is nothing but slope only. So right now in this question it was given to us that tan 60 degree will be the slope because angle with the positive direction of x-axis is given to us. So value of m will be root 3 here, and x1 y1 is also given to us, which is minus 1 comma 4. So y minus y1 is equals to m multiplied by x minus x1 here. So y minus 4 is equals to root 3x plus root 3, and if we simplify it, root 3x minus y plus 4 plus root 3 is equal to 0. This is the standard equation. This is the equation of the line that we are getting.